Hey guys, this is Alfonso Walker from AW Digital Studios. Today we're going to talk about how you can create a blog post for your Shopify stores. So let's get started. So we're starting out as usual from the home section for your Shopify store. This is where all the activity stuff happens. This is essentially your back end to your store. And we're going to go to the online store section, which is in the middle of the left-hand area of this section. So go down to your blog posts, and then you create your blog post right here. And it's pretty similar as far as the setup goes when it comes to creating a page. There's a few subtle differences. You have your title, you put your content in here. Now this is different. You have an excerpt. So an excerpt is essentially when you do have the blog post created, this is what people are going to see first. It's almost like the packaging, like the name on the package before you actually open the package. So they say here, add a summary of the post to appear on your homepage or blog, right? So that it'll be what you see first. And then once you click on the excerpt, it'll take you to the content within that blog, right? Then you have your search engine listing preview. This is what you will see on a search engine search. Kind of mix of words. So this would show up on a Google search, right? So that's why they have the edit website search engine optimization. So that this is going to be based on how well you present your blog and how well it's ranked on a search engine post. Right here is your visibility. So I'm just going to make it visible so we don't have to worry about it being hidden or anything. And then you have your featured image. This is just like if you've ever seen a blog post before, sometimes people have an image to represent that blog post. So it gives it kind of like a better idea as far as what the blog post is going to be about. And then you have your organization, your author, which is going to be me. Then the generic name is news. Then some tags to make it a little easier for people to find out. And then you have your theme template right here, which is similar to what you would find for the page section. So if you have a certain feature that you come across pretty often with your page or in your blog in this case, you can automate that process and just have a theme automatically created for you, so you don't have to repeat the same steps over and over again. But usually your blog posts are going to be pretty unique, so you're not going to really mess with this section too often. All right, so let's actually make our first blog page. So let's call it blog, and then we say our first content blog, and then you add excerpt, our first excerpt blog. Okay, so that's all taken care of. We're already going to make it visible. We don't really need to add a picture. That's pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, so now we can save. And you've just made your first blog page. Now, as with making an actual page, you still need to apply this to your navigation screen. So we need to go to navigations. Okay, and let's add this blog section to the main menu. And so down here, you add menu item. Let's call it just blog. Actually, blog, and then you go to link, and here you're going to go to click on blogs, right, and which was news, right, and then from there, gotta move my face out of the way, you add that, and then we save menu. All right, so the menu should be saved now, and let's go see if it's working. It's probably not. It takes a minute. How Shopify is. Oh, wait, no, it's actually done. Awesome. Okay, so now we have our blog posted, and now we're going to click on it, and here you go. This is the excerpt I was talking about. This is what you see first, right? We have our first excerpt blog, and then you click on that, and then it takes you to our first content. This is where the actual information about the blog would be, right? And also, this is the area where if you added a picture, there might be a picture here as well. But we didn't want to do that because of, it's self-explanatory, but you can have the option of having like an image here along with, whatever you want to have here in the excerpt. So that's pretty much it. It's not too complicated, but it is definitely a feature that might help you because the whole point of having a business is you want people to be able to build trust with you. So having a blog is a way to help your clients feel engaged and a part of your business in general. So something you might want to look into, and I think you might have some pretty good opportunities with it. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a video. And these videos are meant to take your business to the next level. Also, if you have any questions, just let me know on the comment section so I can answer those questions and implement them into my next videos. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good week.